Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Discord guilds tag. If you've been wanting to create your own guild on Discord and customize it to stand out, this guide will walk you through the whole process. First, start by choosing the game or games your guild will be centered around. Don't worry, you can always come back and add more games or change them later. Next, you'll pick the overall playstyle of your guild. Options range from very casual all the way up to very hardcore. This helps people know what to expect when joining. After that, it's time to define the kind of people you want to recruit. Depending on your guild type, you can filter by game ranks, age, or other demographics. Choose what fits best for your community. Now, let's talk about what your guild actually talks about. Whether it's a shared love for cheesecake or everyone blasting K-pop while gaming, you'll choose at least 3 traits that represent your group's personality. Then, you'll write a short description for your guild. This is where you get creative. Tell people why they should join, what makes your guild special, and what kind of vibe you're going for. You can also describe your guild in 3 words right here. Next up, it's time to create your guild tag and badge. The tag can be up to 4 characters long and is used across Discord to represent your guild. It doesn't need to be unique, so others might have the same one. Choose a badge and pick from preset colors or customize it with a color picker to match your guild's identity. After that, you can really brand your guild by selecting a banner. Choose from themes like night sky, castle, world map, and more, and personalize the color scheme using the eyedropper tool. Then it's time to set up an application form for anyone interested in joining. Ask fun or serious questions like, why do you want to join this guild? Or, what's your favorite dinosaur and why? You can make the answers short, long, or multiple choice. Just make sure you have at least one question before moving on. And finally, once everything looks good, go ahead and sign the charter. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.